Lokhu sikwenza ngokubambisana nebaka Department of Education. Awubuke ingane mayishaye kwara.
Good morning, class. Good morning. How are you? Fine. Today we are going to learn about Iguana. Do you know how to tell Iguana? Who can show me how to tell Iguana?
Phela ke naye lo tishele ave ethanda kwara azibeki phansi. Tiwadlala tishe yakula.